What's up, these nares, and how's it going? So today I have my brother here, and wait, we have to go downstairs. So I got these little Orby thingies. Wait, I can't. Wait, let me get it. Wait, I'll show you. Get a cup, Christian. Okay, so we got a cup. So guys, I stole these from Get him, quick. Guys, we're gonna clean these up and we'll come back. What's up, his nares, and how's your day on? So today I have my friend Grayson here.
Oh my god.
And I got a dirt bike yesterday.
This is cringy.
And he's gonna be filming me, and he's gonna ride the dirt bike.
No, I'm not.
For the first time.
No, I'm not.
So let's see that. Let's do this.
No.
Bro, shut up. We're making a YouTube video. Don't get in it. Don't let it in.
What the fuck? You animal.
You just stop.
That ain't wrong.
And
Stop riding my grass. I'm trying to play Fortnite here. Okay.
Alright, guys, I'm going to ride down there and come back.
Yeah, and ride.
Hunting A. Alrighty, I'm going to ride down that tree.
This YouTube channel sucks. You suck. It doesn't even have one view. I hate you. We're freaking playing Fortnite.
Okay.
Dude, wait, he's freaking playing Fortnite on mobile. Okay, let's go. Go. Alright. So yes, this is Blowy, but we're gonna go back to him. Yeah, I know. It's cringy. Wait.
To X out those peace nares and see you next week. I know that was a short video, but Grayson, I have to leave. So make sure to X out those peace nares. See you next week. Bye.